Hey, what's up guys? A little preview of a product that I'm working on right now, which is the Chalk Style Pro add-on. Now, many of you have heard of the Chalk Style add-on, but this one takes it much further. Let's take a look. Just as in Chalk Style, we can disable all of this and we can hit the render Chalk Style button. And this is a one button render, 1000, 1000, 1000, 1000. And here we have our render. And as you can see, the default settings look pretty darn good. Now when you close the render window, you're going to actually be dropped directly in the new Chalk Style scene, which has just been imported, and all of these images are going to be filled out for you. And we have a new image, this normal image right here, and this is going to allow us to actually change the lighting on this object interactively. Let's take a look. As you can see, as I move this, we're actually changing the lighting. All we need to do now is hit the F12 key and we'll have a new render. The plugin has a little ways to go, but we're almost finished and should be available very soon.